Hello everyone. I hope you're all are doing good. George here. I love Reese cups. I love Reese cups. Of course, these are, I think, after, since I was a little kid, I believe the size of the Reese cups have went completely the size downward. I don't think they've gotten any bigger, I don't think. Or maybe I just bought the wrong ones, but that's not really that big. Here's a Lifesaver. Lifesaver is almost as big as that. But I wanted to let you know that my bike, for the very first time, I've had my bike since January, and for the very first time, I had a flat on it. And I'm talking about my scooter bike. And I was heading to the Foothills Parkway. All of a sudden, I felt the wobble. Oh my gosh, the wobble. And if you've never been on a bike before and you're riding your bike and you hit something, I guess I didn't feel that I hit anything, but my back tire went flat. I mean, it just went completely flat. But luckily, I found a area that was shaded that I could pull over, because the temperature was about 90 something degrees. It was hot, plus the humidity. And but I called this company that specifically tows motorcycles and scooters and all, and boy, thank God for them. Somebody, some good folks gave me their card, so I was able to get their. This looks disgusting, doesn't it? But I'm sorry. I thought a Reese cup eating it would be good and talking about my bike, but I don't know. After this, let me eat that. Oh, it's so good. But anyway, I've not had no vehicle for almost the last 7 days, and I don't know if you all out there have experience, or after driving for a while and all your life, and all of a sudden you don't have your vehicle and you don't have no way of getting around. I mean, I have friends that, and there's some good folks that offered to take me places if I needed to go, and which is very kind. But it's just so I felt powerless, that you can't go out and drive when you want to. So this looks disgusting, I know. I'm so sorry. This was a bad idea. But anyway, there we go. Clean up the chocolate. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that I'm having a video. I'm trying to get back into making some videos and things and places that you all would maybe find interesting. And just going out in your own neighborhood, you literally can find interesting things. So with that, if you'd like, y'all come along, and I'm gonna take you around the neighborhood, and we'll see what I saw today. Boy, chocolate. I love Reese's, but boy, they're messy. Look at these beautiful flowers right here. Little orange flowers, but look at the little yellow ones. I noticed them, they were just growing right below these beautiful orange flowers here, so thought I'd show you that. It's pretty nice, huh? They're little tiny yellow flowers. These are, I'm not sure what they're called, but they're pretty. Look Hawaiian looking. This is the waterfront grill, and somebody put some plants out here. And these butterflies, well, they were gone at one time, but somebody put them back. And these are smaller ones. There used to be some bigger ones. And this cat, hey there, kitty. Hey, kitty. Yeah, I don't know whose cat that is. It just stays up here all the time. So let's see here. Yep, somebody's had a good time. Looks like the bottle's empty. Yep. Not sure what that is, but I ain't about to go into there and find out. Look at these beautiful blooms in this tree here. I'll tell you, just walking around and seeing the trees, just love it. I get out and I get to enjoy nature. I really do enjoy walking, especially up here at the library. It's beautiful. These bloom usually in the summer. I've noticed as I've come through here many times. Look at this bee here. There's beautiful trees here. They really are. Look at this. Finally got a lot of rain. There was a point back in June there we were not getting any rain. Look at this little garden here. These flowers, look at these flowers just a dancing. It's like they're excited. Somebody's filming me. Somebody's filming me. Yay, somebody's filming us. Everybody be happy. Be happy. This is a really nice little garden here. Let's see if I can get the sign here. There we go. The pollinator. Friendly. This is Blount County Master Gardeners. Yep, they do a really good job. These are really pretty. I like walking through here and just enjoying these flowers and the plants through here. It just makes your day brighter, you know. Bee up in there. He or she is enjoying, definitely enjoying them. Yeah, I was just thinking that to myself as I was sitting here, just enjoying the day, because it felt really good. The temperature finally is still humid out here, but the temperature has dropped below. It's in the low 80s today, so it's not too bad. But even though I don't have my bike to get around town, I'm okay. I'm enjoying getting out and walking as long as I got my legs. My legs hurt a lot. Oh, Lord. This is the down below the library, the Blount County Clerk. And for the longest time, I didn't even know this was here, but you can renew this is where you can drive up and get your new tags. And so it's in the parking lot of the Blount County Library. If you're over in this area, just moving in this area, that's what you'll find. And this machine here, you can renew. Let's see. Yeah, renew your license plate and pay court fines. Oh, okay. Well, that's I guess convenient. So this is, I believe they call this North Cusick Street, and this is just down below the library here. I wanted to show you one of the restaurants here, give you a view of some of the little street view of the little town of Maryville here. I'm going to do a video. I've got a couple of videos of Maryville on here that I've showed, and I didn't really explain. It's just showing the views of it, the area there, but this right here, this is the shrimp dock, and oh my goodness, this is good food in there. They have all kind of fresh seafood, fish. I like going in there and getting flounder. They fry it, blacken it. I think they blacken it. So we have a back alley. I like going to the back alleys, and I noticed this contraption here. And look at it, it's got a steering wheel, but let's see. This steel personalized fitness. Let's see here. I believe, yeah, this is some kind of training thing, I believe, because there's a driver education office up front. But look at this thing. There's somebody's sleeping bag inside there. Looks like, or something like that. That's some kind of contraption. Let's go down the alleyway here. No parking back. I mean, nobody parked back here, so it's kind of abandoned today. There's some mailboxes for the offices. Somebody's got their sleeping stuff there. Let's see what we got down through here. Ooh, we got us a can opener. Well, if we need a can opener, we need a can opened. There you go. Let's walk down through here. There's quite a lot of offices here. They look like, I know they're some of them are open, but they're not open today. So I believe that's the driving thing. You got a tax office here, and let's see here. I believe this is where that wheel thing contraption came from. I believe out of that. Maybe, I don't know. This is where you learn how to drive or something like it. I don't know. Need you a loan? Go right in there. And of course, yep, we got them too. Good old Dollar General. Now this is something you just never, you don't see all the time. Look at here, there's a church pew. So I put a church pew out here. I have no idea where they would have got it at, but it's definitely an old church pew there. Let's just sit here and let's think about our blessings. Yep. And let's also think about there might be some bees up under here. I better get on out of here. And let's see here. Looky here. This is where you can get you a $5 haircut. $5, especially if you're a senior, I guess. I cut my own hair, so they've got quite a selection of ways you can get your hair cut in there, so that's nice. This is interesting. I've never been in here, but a tattoo shop here. High Priestess. It is a tarot card. That's what the High Priestess is, but this is a tattoo shop. It's a very interesting name. Look at this flower. Does it say Hawaii or what? Look at here. I really like this plant. Somebody did a great job. Look at that. Midland Towers. Little shops up in there. So, and this is I thought was very interesting. Look here, folks. I'm in East Tennessee, and we have cactus here. We have cactus or cacti, however you say it, but look at there. Somebody's planted a little garden of cactus there, and maybe some shrubbery in the midst of it. Look at there, and it looks like somebody's pruned it too. So see, but yeah, cactus. That's a nice little arrangement of cactuses there. So definitely a little vine through there. And let's go. And this squirrel, look at this beautiful tree, and this squirrel was enjoying this tree. And there he is, him or her, I'm not sure, of course, but he just looking at me. And it seems like every time I've gone out walking, there's been a squirrel kind of keeping an eye on me, you know. If you get close, they just run up. Look at these big old, I don't know if they're, what you call them, the seeds or I'm not sure what these are, but look at there. They look like green berries. But I'm pretty sure they're the sort of kind of like pine cones, but they're just solid ground. They're very unique. I like them. Then that squirrel. Well, you gonna come out of there? You gonna come out? Oh, can't focus on him. Oh, I can't focus. There he is. He's looking at me. He said, "Yeah, come closer. I'll show you. I'll come out of this tree." He'll jump on my head is what he'll be doing. Hello, squirrel. He's enjoying the day. I want to show you this too. I spotted this. This is beautiful. Now, if you don't know what a magnolia tree is, look at this. Here it is, magnolia. And the blooms on here. Look at these beautiful flowers of the blooms from the magnolia tree. This is a pretty good size one too. Reminds me of the movie Steel Magnolias every time I see this, with the movie with Dolly Parton in it, and all them wonderful stars. And look at the blooms inside there. It's beautiful, beautiful. Look at the seeds in there. I guess that's considered like seeds, maybe. I don't know. Look at that. Wow, it's beautiful. And just the petals just caught the seeds there. This is a beautiful, really, really nice magnolia tree. And it's the only time you get to see them like this time of the year. And I saw this. Look at this little planter somebody's made. It's all these beautiful little mixtures of flowers here. These look like little morning glories, the little yellow and white ones. But look at these little blue ones in there. These little blue flowers there. But these look like morning glories. I love morning glories because they come in different colors and stuff. So that's a nice little arrangement. So kudos to you guys, whoever did this. Very nice. I get out and I walk and I just enjoy the day. I really do. I really do. A lot of walking, but I wanted to show you this. This here is what they call a cigar tree, and look at the pods here. They call it, I guess they call it the cigar tree because these kind of look like cigars. And when they in the fall, these turn dark brown. So I guess that's where the name comes from. It's actually got another name that's the actual name of the tree, but I thought I'd show you this. So, but anyway, folks, thank you for watching. This is what I saw today. I appreciate it.